Behind any story of well-being, there is a vision for defining a new culture of beauty. A thin line that unites aesthetic and science. Feel the natural balance between body and mind. And discover the way for a true beauty. Reset and prepare the skin by detoxifying and purifying to be ready to better absorb the functional substance. Restore and rebalance the skin of the face and body. Attack the skin imperfections by professional treatments. Three steps, always accompanied by checkup and boost, in a unique method to care and to ensure measurable results. For you, for all beauty specialists, and for those who build their future with Arosha products and protocols. Arosha. We care for you.